What up? So it's the boss back at it again today, baby. Hey, so today, if you see the turkey looking kind of like a little color on it, it's because I know brined it already, but I washed it off after brine. So today we'll be smoking a turkey on the grill at about 2:45 for 4 hours. It's about a 10-11 pound turkey, so it shouldn't take that long. Once the internal breast or the thickest part of the breast we get 165 degrees, we're gonna pull it off. So let's go on ahead and season it with my all-purpose dry rub.
Next level. Next level.
So let's go ahead and put our bird on. Let me go ahead and lift this thing up. Alright. What I've been waiting for this bad boy to go on. I've been up all night. See, I can't wait to get up wait till the daylight come. Cause I had to wait for the daylight for the missus to get up. Alright, let's go ahead and close this big bird right here. That turkey looking good. Man, that season is really, really popping on us. So I'm gonna go ahead and spritz with a little apple juice and honey. Alright, you guys, stay tuned for this. Woo! Well, let's go ahead and check on this turkey. Man, look at the pretty color on that thing. I'm gonna go ahead and spritz it down with a little more of this apple juice. Mix with that little side of honey. Woo. Got some pretty color on her. Get that leg over there. Keep it nice and moist. We're gonna let it smoke one more hour. In an hour, we'll come back and wrap it up in a pan. Stay tuned, you guys. Alright, let's go ahead and check on our turkey. Get ready to wrap this bad boy. Woo. Looking nice and good. It's good. So go ahead and put this in the pan. I'm gonna put some, I hate that leg, I tore off. We're gonna put some apple juice inside of this pan, just so it get a little steam. I got a couple pieces of celery. I'm gonna stick this in the cavity. I know the cavity is pretty much about done, so it's okay, I can put it in there. Okay, so tear out some foil. Get it nice and wrapped. Got nice and tight. Okay, now we're just gonna let it sit, cook on in the pan for about 2 hours. It should be nice and ready. So what y'all been waiting for, what I've been waiting for, man, it looks amazing. Look at that. Check out that. Look how that meat no pull back off that turkey. Looking amazing, man. You know, hit the internal temp of 168 degrees. So we'll go ahead and pull it off and let it rest. Hey, thanks for tuning into this video. If you guys would like to see any more holiday videos like this, hey, just let me know. But be sure to go over to my Instagram and check me out at Southern Smoke Boss. Thanks for tuning into this video. Peace out.